This isn't a boulder. It's a turtle, the size of a sedan. Meet Stupendemys, a prehistoric river tank that weighed over a ton and carried a shell 10 feet wide. It ruled the rivers of ancient South America. The males even grew massive horns on their shells to batter their rivals. But being a tank didn't mean you were safe. They shared the water with the Purussaurus, a crocodile that could crush that shell like a cracker. If a 1-ton, armor-plated monster couldn't survive those rivers, would you? Subscribe before something touches your leg.